Let's talk about the best YouTube channels to learn English. Not long ago, I shared a video with some of my favorite ones, and so many of you loved it and recommended lots of new creators. So I decided to make a part 2. Today, I'm sharing 10 amazing channels to help you improve your English. Some of my personal favorites and a few hidden gems you might not know about. Let's dive in. And the first category is English teaching channels. Let's start with a channel that was a total game changer for me, since one of my biggest secret goals is to speak with a British accent. Yes, I know, I'll get there. So my first recommendation is Pronunciation with Emma. Starting your English journey by focusing on pronunciation is a very smart move, and Emma has tons of amazing videos to help you with that.
If your goal is to improve your English pronunciation, but you have no idea where to get started, then this is the perfect pronunciation lesson for you.
She covers everything from mouth position and connected speech to intonation. Basically, all the tools you need to sound clear and natural. Her lessons are especially helpful if you feel like you understand English, but still sound a bit off when speaking.
Do you confuse words like bear and beer? How about bird and beard?
And guys, don't just watch. Practice what she teaches. That's how you actually improve and start noticing real progress. Seriously, go check out her videos and start putting her tips into practice right away. Moving on, and here is another hidden gem I found recently. British Education, a channel by Dylan.
Hello everyone, my name is Dylan and welcome to a brand new video. If you are new here, hi there, I post fun and relaxing English lessons every single week.
If you want to learn useful vocabulary and practice English through stories, this channel is perfect.
You know, I once knew this mathematician who was afraid of negative numbers. Yeah. In fact, he would stop at nothing to avoid them.
My favorite part is when Dylan reads stories like Sherlock Holmes. They're really fun to listen to. You'll also get tons of listening practice and learn interesting things about British culture. Dylan speaks very clearly, so it's really easy to understand. He focuses on tricky grammar, vocabulary, and British phrases you'll actually hear in real life. For me, this channel is a turn on, relax and learn kind of vibe. The videos are helpful and well made. I honestly wish my teachers had taught like this back in school.
Listen, mate. Rome wasn't built in a day. Just keep going. You'll be fine. Yeah, you're right, actually. You're right. I guess Rome wasn't built in a day. A nice expression, by the way. That really made you instantly sound more fluent whilst bringing a bit of personality to your speech as well.
Okay, moving on. And the next channel is Learn English with TV series. I've watched a lot of videos from this channel, and it really helped me combine two of my biggest passion, watching movies and learning English.
And if you're new here, you should know this is exactly what we help you do. Have fun learning with your favorite movies and TV series so you can finally understand fast-speaking natives without getting lost, without missing the jokes, and without subtitles.
I mean, who doesn't want to enjoy their favorite TV shows in the original? But sometimes, of course, it's hard because your vocabulary isn't strong enough or your level feels too low. And that's exactly when this channel comes in. In each video, these guys take a scene from a movie, show, song, or even a cartoon. I love cartoons. And break it down step by step.
What do you want? I'm sorry I bit you and pulled your hair and punched you in the face.
And here's that girl who's always picking on Lilo. When you pick on someone, you tease or bully them in an unfair way. And as we see, Lilo tried to stand up to the bully. Lilo says, "I'm sorry I bit you." Bit is the past tense of which verb? Bite, beat, bat.
They explain the vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation in a fun and simple way. So you're learning, but it doesn't feel like a boring lesson. It's more like relaxing and watching something fun. What really makes it work is that you're not jumping into a whole movie right away. You're just focusing on one scene. That helps your brain get used to the language and makes watching in English much easier over time, believe me. And there are so many videos to choose from, you'll definitely find something you love. Okay, and the last in this category is Kangaroo. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. So, Kangaroo English.
Everybody hates Monday mornings. You know what else? Everybody hates studying English.
And what makes it so special? Let's find out. It is run by Christian, and he is not your typical English teacher. He really makes you think about how you're learning.
Language is not a subject, it is a tool for communication.
And his videos aren't just about grammar and vocabulary, okay? He talks a lot about motivation, mindset, and why some learning methods work while others don't. And to be honest, guys, right now it's one of my favorite channels, not because I learned something new, but because I get so much inspiration for my own lessons too.
If you're trying to describe a hammer, tell your listener you are looking for a word for a thing, or even better, a tool, if you know that word.
He covers topics like how to learn new words, whether or not you should use subtitles, how to break through the intermediate plateau, and even whether you really need to reach an advanced level of English. So it's perfect if you ever feel stuck and unsure how to keep moving forward. Definitely worth checking out.
This is my favorite time of day, when everyone is asleep and the house is really peace and quiet, yes.
And of course, I'd love to invite you to check out my channel too. On English with Yuliya, you'll find all kind of lessons, from pronunciation and vocabulary to grammar, jokes, and fun quizzes. So make sure to subscribe and enjoy learning with me. And guys, if you enjoy the content and feel like supporting my channel, you can always buy me a coffee. The link is in the description. It really means a lot and inspires me to keep creating. Okay, let's move on to lifestyle and productivity channels. And I want to start with a very special one. Simple, Happy Zen. If you love calm, thoughtful videos that make you feel better just by watching them, this is the one.
Minimalism and simple living have honestly changed so many things for me, not just in what I own and how I spend my money, but also how I think, what I value, and how I feel on a day-to-day basis.
Vera from the Netherlands talks about simplicity and living with intention. Her voice is soft and clear, which makes it perfect for shadowing. Honestly, guys, I often watch her videos when I need both English practice and a break from stress. And I think it is one of the best ways to learn. Choose a topic that genuinely interests you and practice listening that way.
Niks is the Dutch word for nothing, so niksen with the en at the end makes that into a verb. So niksen means nothinging, or the art of purposefully doing nothing.
Just relax and listen. And if that's still hard, you can write down new words. There will be a lot of new ones about minimalism, habits, lifestyle, self-care. I've also learned so much about Dutch culture through her videos, and for me that's priceless. Even if you've never been to the Netherlands, it feels like a little cultural journey. And the second channel in this category is Lana Blakely. Lana's videos feel like quiet conversations about big ideas, confidence, relationships, purpose. What makes her content really special is how real and personal it feels.
Hi, I'm an introvert. Yep, I'm shy, I always want to be alone.
One of the comments under her videos really stuck with me. It said, watching her is like listening to an older sister. And that's exactly how it feels. She's a very educated young woman from Sweden who gets you thinking about deep topics.
Sweden is frequently ranked as one of the best, if not the best countries to live in based on things like overall happiness, productivity, health, and overall quality of life.
So you're not just improving your listening, you're also learning how to think in English. Seriously, after watching her videos, I often keep reflecting on the topic. Sometimes I'll walk around the house talking to myself, or I'll record a voice message or call a friend to discuss it. Her videos just stay with you, so definitely check her out. And the last one in this category is Matt Davella. Minimalism, habits, focus. Matt covers all the things that help you improve your life.
I put over 27 habits to the ultimate test in different 30-day challenges over the past few years.
This is exactly the kind of content I love YouTube for. The kind that actually makes you want to take action and change something in your life.
I used a flip phone for 30 days, and I absolutely hated it.
He speaks slowly and clearly, which is amazing for English learners, and his videos are so beautifully filmed. It's that perfect mix of something nice to look at and something great for your brain.
Hey honey, how are you?
I still binge watch his videos sometimes, especially when I feel like I need a bit of a kick to get back on track. It's like watching a mini documentary that boosts both your English and your motivation. So definitely give it a try. And just how you apply tips to improve your English, try applying this lifestyle tips too. Of course, if they fit your life and you're ready to challenge yourself a little.
Build a life that's uniquely yours, one that you can look back on and say, I may not be perfect, but I tried my best.
And finally, the last category is channels to learn something new. And the first one here is Dr. Izzy Seeley. If you love psychology and self-improvement, this channel is a must-watch.
My name's Izzy. I'm a final year medical student at Cambridge University, and I just finished all of my Cambridge Medical School exams and managed to pass them all.
Dr. Izzy explains self-confidence and emotional well-being in a friendly and comforting way with a lovely British accent. For me, it's like therapy and English practice all in one. And as a bonus, she also shares tips on learning Chinese, which I think is super cool since I speak it too. 你好.
Konnichiwa, annyeonghaseyo, 大家好. 今天我们来比较一下日语、韩语和汉语.
One of her videos that really helped me was about which language is more difficult to learn, Chinese, Korean, or Japanese. And it gave me a lot of clarity when I was trying to decide which one to learn next after Chinese. She also covers topics like study techniques, journaling, time management. She studied medicine at Cambridge, so the quality of her advice is amazing. You'll find everything from language learning and accent tips to personal growth and even how to grow your YouTube channel. Okay guys, time to level up. These next two channels are perfect for advanced learners. But if you're intermediate or upper intermediate, don't worry. They're still super helpful and inspiring. And the next one is Vox. This is one of my favorite channels to learn new things and improve my English.
In the years after the American Civil War, the US made 3 amendments to its national constitution.
Vox covers current events, culture, history, social issues, all presented in a super visual storytelling style. The videos move fast and use advanced vocabulary, so like I mentioned, they're best for upper intermediate or advanced learners. But the editing is so good and the visuals are so clear. It's honestly easy to follow and stay focused.
Let me ask you a question. If you called for an ambulance, how long is too long to wait? 10 minutes? 15?
So if you want to challenge your listening skills and expand your vocabulary with real English, This is a fantastic channel to dive into. Plus, it's just very interesting. And the last in this category and for today is Jared Henderson. Jared's channel is all about deep thinking, finding meaning, asking big questions, and exploring how to live a better life.
Every great work of philosophy is trying to answer a question. And in Aristotle's Nicomachean Ethics, that question is simple. What is the best human life?
He breaks down philosophical ideas in a way that's clear and easy to understand. Even if you've never studied philosophy before. Personally, I got hooked after watching his videos about reading, like why people don't read anymore nowadays, or how to approach complex books.
At universities all around the country, professors are reporting a problem. Students can't read books.
His speaking style is thoughtful, slow, and clear, so it's perfect for learners who want to get comfortable with more abstract intellectual English. Honestly, watching his videos feels like having a conversation with a really smart friend. And I feel smarter after watching every video. That's the kind of content I love. So guys, definitely check him out and let me know what you think. And that's it. Guys, what are your favorite YouTube videos for improving English? I'd love to hear your recommendations too. So let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.